In this video, I'll show you how to integrate AI Assist with an MCP server. By connecting your AI agent to a third-party model context protocol server, you can provide it with real-time information from external systems. This allows AI Assist to understand who a visitor is and what actions are available, leading to smarter automations and faster resolutions without complex custom development. Start by logging into your tawk.to account and selecting the correct property. In the left navigation bar, click Administration, and then select Integrations from the submenu. Search for MCP and select MCP Server. This opens the Overview tab. Click Install in the upper right corner to begin the configuration. You'll need to enter a clear name for the connection, an optional description, and the server URL where your MCP manifest is hosted. Next, choose your authentication method. Whether it's an API key, bearer token, or custom headers, and enter the required credentials provided by your service. Once you click Save, tawk.to will connect to the server and make its tools and context available to your AI agent. You can verify this by checking the Integration tab on your AI agent settings page. If you see Available Tools 0 after installation, double-check your URL and authentication details to ensure the server is reachable and fully MCP compatible. By using an MCP server, you're giving your AI Assist the live session-level data it needs to provide truly personalized support. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist.